FortiSIEM's federated search capability enables analysts to hunt for observables such as IPs, hosts, hashes, process, and URLs across diverse external data stores. This includes AWS Security Lake, AWS S3, FortiEDR, and relational databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Snowflake. Here, we are leveraging FortiEDR as an external dataset, which allows us to bypass the need to onboard raw logs into FortiSIEM. When creating the dataset, you specify the provided type. In this instance, FortiEDR, along with the category, a specific query, and the desired time range. Once saved and provisioned, this integration is ready to query the last 30 days of network activity. To execute this, I will navigate to the Analytics tab, select Federated Search, choose the FortiEDR dataset, and specify the time range to query. Upon selecting the FortiEDR events, you can view both the raw event type and OCSF event type. You can then apply specific filters to the dataset. For example, by filtering for file names that contain installer, we can immediately narrow down the logs. From this list view, we can layer additional filters to refine our investigation and utilize federated search against our provisioned datasets. This allows for a more streamlined, rapid, and robust investigation experience.